Hi. And today's exercise will be using our hands. Spirit showed this to me at the beginning of my journey. There's lots of hands-on healing, quantum touch, all really great books, lots of other places that this information is available. So explore. I love people exploring other information. I just like to share what Spirit showed me and what worked for me, because sometimes things work for other people. Yeah, okay. On topic. To start, we will activate our hand chakras. So, we will gently rub them. If you're not getting tingling, if you are getting tingling, feel free to, if you already get tingling easily in your palms, your hands, feel free to jump to the next part. But we're gonna shake and gently rub and shake until we get some tingling. Sometimes this exercise helps where we can feel a little bit of resistance. A lot of this is, I want to become aware of the energy in our body. We want to become aware of how our body feels when the energy around us is being influenced, or we're influencing our own energy, because we can do that, which we're going to do. So first we're going to activate our root chakra, and we're going to take our hands and put it either very close to maybe the side of the hips, or really just sit on your hands if you're comfortable, or just put them in that lower area of the groin, the butt, whatever you want. Okay, breathing when doing energetic things is very important. It encourages energy movement, especially when we're working with our own energy. The Quantum Touch book, I can put it in the description, actually goes on a lot about that and talks a lot about the breath and healing hands and the ability to, So the root chakra has to do with safety, house, survival, very basic survival stuff. Now, you're going to keep your hands here and breathe until you feel some kind of sensation there. Right? You can picture red, you can have your eyes open or closed. We're just going to connect where in our body we're going to experience the feeling of our chakra in our body. Okay, so once you get some tingling, and stay there as long as you want. This is just instructional. If you want an actual meditation, let me know. Otherwise, this is totally something you can do on your own. And go slower. Okay, so next we're going to put it on just underneath our belly button in the sacral. The sacral has to do with creativity. And we're going to breathe until we get some sensations there. Has to do with reproductivity, with sex, with desire. Its color is orange. Just some basic things. There's so much information about chakras out there if you want to know more. This chakra has a bit to do with your throat chakra, because speaking, right, and expressing yourself, those two are actually a bit connected. Once you have some tingling or a sensation of, yes, I can feel this chakra, we are going to move one hand from your sacral chakra to your root chakra. And you're going to hold one hand on each chakra until you feel something like maybe the energy is moving between them. Okay? In the Avatar, you guys ever watch the cartoon, the Avatar cartoon, and it talks about the stream going between the chakras and unblocking them. This is a very similar exercise. And so we want to feel that water moving in between the pools of the chakra. If you can't feel anything right away, that's okay. Just be patient, keep working on it. There's, keep doing exercises to increase your sensitivity or increase your awareness, because so much is mental. We're going to put both of them on our solar plexus now, which is yellow, right under the rib bone there. So your ribs come together, right where they come, feel right where they where your diaphragm is. So we're going to put both our hands there until we get some sensations. This has to do with our willpower. It's our energy center. So a lot of the time we get a lot of sensations here. If you feel like something is like energy vampire or something, you can always put your hands here to protect this center and intent. And down, feeling the energy moving in between. Very interesting. How is your body reacting to this exercise? Picturing the colors. There's some really great meditations out there where you just work the chakras and their colors. You can even just imagine the color and see if just you focusing your attention mentally and imaginatively with your imagination, clairvoyance. Maybe you'll get some physical sensation. Can you do it that way? That's pretty cool. If it's a fun exercise to do, a variation of this. If you don't feel like moving your hands around, or maybe you can't move your hands around easily, then visualizing with the intent to connect and focus on that area. You can put your hand right on top or like this, however it is that you experiment and play. Okay? However it is you want to do it. I really hope that the sound is going well on this. Okay. And then down. As you gain in energetic sensitivity and connecting and tuning into your body, sometimes you can really feel like maybe you have some emotional things happening, or you're like doing some shadow work or inner child work or whatever type of work that you use on yourself for the mental and emotional healing type of stuff. You feel like really heavy. You'll feel heavy. Maybe some chakras feel heavy, and you'll notice as you work through it, the energy moving in your body feel lighter. As you experience energy healing and doing it on yourself, it might make you curious about doing it on other people, right? And one of the best ways to learn about energy stuff and healing energy with other people is to do it on ourselves first. We can get a much better understanding of what it feels like. Maybe not what it feels like, but what's actually happening. And then one down. And you can just hold this last position for a minute if you want. My arm's getting tired. All right, I often just skip it now. Skip doing the actual hands and just focus usually on my lower chakras. The lower chakras easily get a little bit clogged up because they all have to do with living life as our physical body. And from the heart up tends to be, from the heart up tends to be the spiritual plane and mental kind of stuff. Has to do with more the spiritual aspects of our existence. Okay, so how do you feel? If you didn't get things, sensations and stuff right away, that's okay. Keep trying. Maybe there's some kind of programming going on in your head, which can happen so much when we're expanding ourselves and developing. Some voice from when we were younger, or telling us something that's blocking us from feeling this, oh, you're crazy, no, that doesn't exist. All these types of things will prevent us from opening our awareness to the energetic part of ourselves that we have the ability to experience. We have a big antenna. We're walking around in a big energy soup, right? Wouldn't it be nice to, it's my thing. So it's not for everybody, and that's okay. This has been my passion at the very beginning of my journey. I'm sure there'll be a video about that. Thank you. Great job for showing yourself love and curiosity and kindness. Have a great day.